In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter to Hootsuite in this full 25 guide. Whether you're a social media manager looking to streamline your tasks or someone managing multiple accounts for your brand, this process will make it significantly easier to organize and engage with your audience. Now let's dive right into the steps. To begin, head over to Hootsuite in your preferred browser. You can also open the Hootsuite app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're there, log into your Hootsuite account. If you haven't signed up yet, signing up is pretty straightforward and customizable according to your needs. Next, it's time to go to the social networks section within your account. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. You'll see a drop-down menu where you need to select Manage Social Networks. If you're using the app, it might be labeled as Account Settings followed by Social Networks. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial because this is the hub where all your connected social media platforms reside. Now that you're in the social network section, you're ready to add a new social network to your dashboard. Click on the button that says plus add social network. It's typically easy to find, bold, and should stand out on your screen. From the list of available platforms, go ahead and choose Twitter. This selection is what will guide Hootsuite to go through the necessary steps to connect your Twitter account. Once you've selected Twitter, a new window will pop up, the Twitter login page. Here you will need to enter your Twitter credentials. Type in your username or email, coupled with your password, just as you normally would when logging into Twitter directly. After ensuring everything is entered correctly, click on Authorize App. This step is particularly important because Hootsuite requires your permission to access your Twitter account, so it can manage your tweets, replies, DMs, and more. After you've authorized the app, you should verify that your Twitter account connection was successful. Check back in your Hootsuite dashboard under social networks and you should now see your Twitter account listed there. This confirmation means you're all set to start engaging with your Twitter community right from Hootsuite. You can now schedule tweets, monitor mentions, hashtags, and lists, and dive into analytics to measure engagement, all centralized in one convenient place. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added Twitter to your Hootsuite dashboard, optimizing your social media management in a few easy steps. Continue exploring the features within Hootsuite to enhance your online presence and elevate your social media strategy.